like the color? It's purple! Now mix and pour, mix and pour. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. And what about some contact solution? We need some saline solution. How about a tablespoon of it? Whoa! And mix, 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 mix. Ooh, look at that. It's kind of gooey. It's sticking to my